welcome to another McLogo video. Out with my glider with my differential thrust two motor or two tractor glider, and I've now adjusted quite a bit to optimize how it's flying. I'm really happy now. It basically does what I wanted. I wanted to have a plane that can fly in small spaces, but also fast enough to fly in larger spaces, or to keep up with a little bit bigger planes. And with O4 Lite, I've got a 4K capability, and also the picture inside the goggles is really nice. So really now I think I'm finally with this plane kind of there where I wanted to be. I hope we'll do some more chasing with my buddies soon, with their planes. So we'll have a lot of good footage soon. But basically, what I did to this plane, what changed the setup. First of all, it's differential thrust. It's very easily to maneuver between small things, fine adjust with the differential thrust, but it has also a lot of throw and can do all kind of acro, and it has more than enough thrust and power to go vertical. I've got what is it, I think 8,000 kV on 2S 1303 motors, which can pull this plane, and it's still efficient. I can fly 6 minutes easily. If I go fast, it's maybe 5.5, but that's more than enough. And yeah, I think I will still do a build video just to show the details, how we build it, or how we are building these planes. My mates Silma FPV from France, also Rock FPV and RcInPower, they all kind of built their own planes. Silma started with it and showed us how to do it. We adjusted by putting an FC or a Betafpv AIO inside, with a custom Inav target. Where we can use basically two motors with or even with 4 servos, up to 4 servos, and this really works nicely, and it's a cheap kind of way of doing it. I had a little bit of high-speed wobble with this plane, which I got rid of with going in with the holes in the servo horns. Just one hole in, and that fixed it for me. I'll have to show you a small picture of that. And otherwise, yeah, the setup is basically done for me. Now I have a plane that I can just enjoy and fly a lot and scoot around. Okay, I'll now show you the clip of my flying. A wonderful day today. I took half a day off just to record this, just to go flying and enjoy this 17 degrees, almost not summer but spring, nice spring day. Hope you enjoy it and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.